How to stop diarrhea during early pregnancy. Diarrhea and pregnancy usually go hand in hand, especially during the early stages of pregnancy. This is due to the fact that many pregnant women become more sensitive to the food they eat when pregnant. In addition, their digestive systems tend to process food more slowly, which can lead to diarrhea. As many over-the-counter diarrhea medications are unsafe for mothers during their first trimester, it may be necessary to find alternative methods of stopping and preventing the condition. This WikiHow article explains how to adopt safe, natural methods for stopping diarrhea. Stopping the condition using diet. Follow the brat banana, rice, applesauce, toast diet. The brat diet is great for pregnant women who are suffering from diarrhea as the foods it contains are low in fiber and easy to digest, but still highly nutritious. The brat diet is easy on the gastrointestinal tract and rarely causes diarrhea. Bananas are high in potassium, which helps to replace the potassium that is lost during diarrhea. Bananas also help to thicken the stool, which prevent diarrhea. Applesauce made at home using only apples contains pectin, which helps to thicken stool. It's also high in natural sugars, which provides energy. Rice and toast are simple foods which are easily digested. They also work as binding agents to thicken the stool. Eat plenty of soups and broths. Clear soups and broths contain no solid particles, so they require little to no digestion. This means that they are very unlikely to cause problems, making them a great choice for expectant mothers during early pregnancy. Eating clear soups and broths can be combined with the brat diet to ensure that you are getting all of your required vitamins and nutrients. When following this diet, try to eat 5 or 6 smaller meals a day, rather than 3 large ones, as this further decreases the chance of diarrhea and helps to keep your energy levels up. Avoid spicy and high-fat foods, as these are harder to digest. Spicy foods and food that contains high amounts of fat are much more likely to cause diarrhea, as they are difficult to digest and may irritate the gastrointestinal tract. Stay away from high-fat meat products such as bacon and fatty red meat. Instead, opt for low-fat proteins such as turkey, skinless chicken breasts and white fish. You should also avoid cooking with too much oil or butter. Stay away from spicy foods such as most Asian, Indian and Mexican cuisines. Avoid cooking with hot spices or peppers at home. Avoid dairy foods, except for yogurt containing live bacteria. Many women become lactose intolerant during pregnancy, which means that you may experience diarrhea after drinking milk or eating other dairy products. The one exception to this is yogurt containing live bacteria such as Lactobacillus acidophilus and Bifidobacterium. The organisms in the yogurt help to kill harmful bacteria in the digestive system that cause diarrhea. If you do eat dairy products, opt for the low-fat varieties, as these are less likely to irritate the digestive system. Keep a food diary to identify which foods cause diarrhea. Some women are particularly sensitive to certain types of foods during pregnancy, even foods that they ate on a regular basis before getting pregnant. As a result, it can be difficult to identify exactly which foods are causing the problem. Therefore, it may be a good idea to keep a food diary, where you make a note of all of the foods that you eat and the corresponding bowel movements. This will help you to identify which foods are causing the diarrhea, so you can make an effort to avoid them in future. Drink plenty of fluids. Diarrhea often leads to dehydration, as you are losing a lot of fluid through your bowel movements. As a result, it is important to drink lots of water to stay hydrated. Aim to drink a minimum of 6–8 glasses of water per day, and more if possible. You can also stay hydrated by sucking on ice cubes or water-based popsicles, drinking plenty of herbal teas, and eating fruit and veg with a high water content, such as watermelon, cucumber, tomatoes, beets and grapes.